Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support, and really what makes this a very interesting chart now moving forward, was this area right here. And the price is basically sitting right at that level of support, which, to be fair, up until then had done a great job, and right now sitting right at it. And it's the big question mark going forward is, okay, is history going to repeat itself? Meaning, is the price ultimately going to, bounce back upwards like it's done in the past? Or is this the start of something bigger, and is the price going to move downwards? And moving downwards makes this very interesting because, and let me squeeze on the chart just to offer up more perspective, that would put the price in kind of a no man's land, because the next level of support, not until down there at around the $54 mark, which is that gap close location, which, like I said, just going back here, that's just one big space on the chart. So if the price breaks through that area, I'm not saying that within 2 hours it's dropping down to $54 to close the gap. I'm just saying that just puts it in a very kind of unclarified area of the chart, where when it comes to potential selling pressure picking up that much more, not guaranteed to happen, but certainly a more than valid and a rational thought to have. So I mean, that's why it's a very, very interesting level, very, very interesting dynamic to see that the final 30 minutes the price actually closed right there around that $57 mark. So it'll be interesting to see where that ultimately opens up, and if the price does push down through there. Because again, after that, the next level would then be at 54. However, like I said, maybe the price decides it wants to start to bounce back upwards. And in that situation, the first key level of resistance that'll need to be cleared above is right there at 57.75. So keep a close eye on that. But I think the more interesting dynamic, and probably the more, the dynamic that most people are watching and wondering about, is all about $57, and can it hold strong? So let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.